Uh, okay guys, so in this video I will show you quickly how to set static front page in WordPress or display custom post. So first thing what you should do is in your website, login in your WordPress website, and you should see such menu like this. So how to login? Just type your website link / vp login php. So like this here, click on it and you'll see login page like this here. When you will log in, just click on type in browser your website address, hit enter, and here you need to find customize button, so click on it, and here in right section you will see your main page, and here is your customization option where you can find home page settings. So click on it, and here you can change your main page, yeah, from this option. So you can select any, like for example this one, and here you can see how it will be changed. Also, if you do not want to show your static page, you can show instant your post page. So for example this one, yeah, and now it will show us a different page, yeah, like this. Okay, so when you're ready to save, just click on publish and it will update. If you do not want to save, click here. It will ask you, all not changes will be saved, and it will, you'll see your page. Okay guys, if you need quality hosting, please use my link in video description, and in video name I also put coupon code for you, so you can get great WordPress fast hosting at cheap price, and it provides great quality. Okay guys, have a nice day, bye.